how to find personalization settings on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find personalization settings on Opera Mini. First thing we're gonna do is go to Opera and then click on Opera icon here in the down corner, and now click this one, and now click this one here, here you can find it, personalization. Just click on it and here you will find personalization settings, and you can manage anything of course, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.